Hey guys, Mike here, Atlas Rim Repair. Going to be working on a Cadillac this morning. Curb rash is just from here to here, and it is deep enough that I am going to use the grinder on it. Just the red conditioning disc, the medium disc. So I'm going to start grinding on this while I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will start grinding. Alright, now we're going to go over that with the 320 grit sanding disc, and then we'll get it ready for paint. Alright, now we'll take the 1500 grit scuff pad and go over everywhere I just sanded. Get this dust blown off of here. Spray this down with some surface prep. Alright, and I've gone with the light hyper paint. This may be medium hyper. I'll let you know in just a minute, but I'm going to start with this one. See if this is right. I think that's going to blend in pretty well when I get the clear coat on. Let's see. This paint and all my other paints are available. Links are in the description below. Let's see how this looks with the clear coat on it. I might need to darken that up just a little bit. Yep. I will be right back. Alright, I changed out to the mid hyper. This is also linked in the description below. Yeah, that's much better.